Pennsylvania, United States, January 20, 2025. A winter storm dumped more than 6 inches of snow in parts of southern Pennsylvania on Sunday.
Investigation of medication for people with atrial fibrillation.
The snow is expected to persist through at least the end of the week as the region is expected to be buffeted by Arctic winds. Monday's high is not expected to exceed 9 degrees with wind chills making it feel below freezing, according to the Weather Service. Single-digit temperatures are expected to persist through Friday, when temperatures could soar into the 20s, according to the Weather Service. The Weather Service has predicted temperatures could reach the mid-30s on Saturday, making it feel especially mild after days of deep freeze. The bitter cold weather continued in the Philadelphia area on Monday and will persist through Thursday. Monday's high was only in the mid-20s and wind chills remained near 0 to just 5 degrees above the ground throughout the day. The cold weather will worsen on Tuesday with wind chills reaching as low as -15 degrees in the morning. Exposed skin under these temperatures can freeze in 20 minutes, so be sure to wear plenty of layers if you must be outside at any point. There won't be much warming up during the day on Tuesday with highs in the upper teens and a chance of snow showers later in the day.